Getting married in Thailand as a foreigner, whether you are planning a beautiful wedding on the beach or a simple legal registration, the process can feel confusing, especially with all the paperwork and legal requirements in a foreign language. But don't worry, in this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know about getting legally married in Thailand as a foreigner in 2025, including recent developments concerning same-sex marriages in the kingdom. I'm Ploy from Siam Legal, and by the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of how to legally register your marriage, prepare the required legal paperwork, and enter into a prenuptial agreement that protects the rights and financial future of you and your fiancé. Let's get started. Before you can legally get married in Thailand, you will need to prepare the right documents. The exact requirements can vary depending on your nationality, but here are the key things every foreigner will need. First, you will need a passport and a copy of your visa. Some district offices may also require a certified translation of your passport. Next, you will need an affirmation of freedom to marry, which is a document from your embassy stating that you are legally free to get married. This must be translated into Thai and legalized at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. If you or your partners were previously married, you will also need divorce or death certificates to prove that your previous marriage has legally ended, which again may need to be translated and legalized first. Check the link in the description for more information about translating and legalizing document in Thailand. Once you have these documents, you are ready to move forward with the marriage registration process. For those marrying a Thai citizen, the process differs slightly. While your Thai partner does not need an affirmation of freedom to marry, they must provide other documents such as their Thai national ID card and house registration book. Can two foreigners get legally married in Thailand? Yes. Two foreigners can legally get married in Thailand, and the process is the same as when a foreigner marries a Thai citizen. As long as both partners meet the legal requirements and submit the proper paperwork, the marriage can be registered at a district office. We recommend that you check with your home country to make sure that your Thai marriage will be recognized under their laws. Some countries may require additional steps to register the marriage back home. In any case, your marriage will still be recognized in Thailand and you will receive full spousal rights. This is particularly important for 2025 as there has been a major change in spousal rights. Same-sex marriage is now legal in Thailand, which means that all couples, regardless of sex or gender, can register their marriage just like any other couple and get full spousal rights in the eye of the Thai government. As of January 2025, Thailand has officially legalized same-sex marriage. This makes Thailand the first country in Southeast Asia to fully recognize and register same-sex marriages. This means that same-sex couples now have the same legal rights and protections as opposite-sex couples when registering their marriage in Thailand. The process is exactly the same, requiring the same paperwork and registration at the district office. This is a huge step forward for equality in Thailand, and it makes the country an even more welcoming destination for couples looking to marry. If you are in a same-sex relationship and are considering marriage in Thailand, our legal team can help guide you through the process to ensure everything is done correctly. Your union may not be recognized in your home country, but the Thai government will recognize your marriage and grant all of your spousal rights. A prenuptial agreement or prenup is a legal contract signed before marriage that outlines how assets and property will be divided if the marriage ends. In Thailand, prenuptial agreements or prenups are legally recognized, but they must meet certain requirements. By law, both parties must be able to read the agreement, so when foreigners are involved, they are typically written in both Thai and English. The prenup must be signed before the marriage and registered at the same time as the marriage registration. For foreigners, having a prenup can be especially important. Thai law follows the community property system, which means that assets required during the marriage are typically considered joint property. A prenup allows both partners to clearly define who owns what and avoid potential legal disputes in the future. If you are considering considering a prenuptial agreement, it is best to consult with a lawyer to ensure that it is properly drafted and enforceable under Thai law. And remember, a prenup doesn't mean you are planning to fail. It is a strong commitment to the future happiness and stability of all parties involved, no matter what comes. Once you have gathered all the necessary documents, you are ready to register your marriage in Thailand. Here's how the process works in 2025. Visit a district office or amper. Both partners must go together to a local district office to officially register the marriage. Some offices require an appointment, so it is best to check in advance. If you are marrying a Thai citizen, you must go to the office in the jurisdiction where their domicile is registered. Submit your documents. You will need to provide your passports, visas, affirmation of freedom to marry, and any additional documents such as divorce or death certificates, if applicable. If any documents are in a foreign language, they must be translated into Thai and legalized. Marriage registration and signing. A government officer will review your paperwork, including your prenup. Once approved, both partners will sign the marriage registration in front of the official. This step makes the marriage and any registered prenup legally binding. Receive your marriage certificates. After registration, you will receive 2 official Thai marriage certificates. These are your legal proof of marriage in Thailand. If you plan to have your marriage recognized in your home country, you may need to legalize and translate your marriage certificates. Siam Legal's translators can assist you with this process. With your marriage officially registered, you can now celebrate your new life together. Getting married in Thailand as a foreigner in 2025 is now easier than ever, and with same-sex marriage now fully recognized, Thailand is an even more welcoming place for all couples. To make sure your marriage registration goes smoothly, you need to prepare the right documents, follow the correct process, and consider a prenuptial agreement if you prefer. If you need help with any parts of the process, Siam Legal is here for you. Our legal team has years of experience guiding foreigners through marriage registration in Thailand. Make sure everything is done correctly and on time. For more information or to book a consultation, contact us through the links in the description. Thank you for watching and congratulations on your upcoming marriage. สวัสดีค่ะ